Question 1. Which metal melts in the palm of your hand? A. Aluminum. B. Gallium. C. Zinc. D. Nickel. Your 10 seconds start now. It's gallium. This shiny metal melts at around 30 degrees, so it turns to liquid right in your hand. Question 2. Which animal's fingerprints are almost identical to a human's? A. Chimpanzee. B. Koala. C. Gorilla. D. Dog. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the koala. Their fingerprints are so close to ours that they have even confused crime scene investigators. Question 3. Which animal produces cube-shaped poop? A. Wombat. B. Rabbit. C. Sheep. D. Beaver. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the wombat. It's the only animal on Earth that produces cube-shaped droppings. Question 4. Which sea creature is biologically immortal? A. The octopus. B. The immortal jellyfish. C. The starfish. D. The lobster. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the immortal jellyfish. It can reverse its own aging and start its life over again, in theory, forever. Question 5. Which of these is truly a berry? A. Strawberry. B. Banana. C. Raspberry. D. Cherry. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the banana. Botanically, bananas are berries, but strawberries, surprisingly, are not. Question 6. Which tiny creature is one of the loudest animals on Earth? A. Cricket. B. Pistol shrimp. C. Bee. D. Ant. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the pistol shrimp. It snaps its claws so fast that it creates a bubble louder than a gunshot. Question 7. What color is a sunset on Mars? A. Red. B. Orange. C. Blue. D. Purple. Your 10 seconds start now. It's blue. The fine dust in the Martian atmosphere makes its sunsets glow blue instead of red. Question 8. Which animal can't stick out its tongue? A. Crocodile. B. Snake. C. Frog. D. Lizard. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the crocodile. Its tongue is held down in its mouth, so it can never stick it out. Question 9. Which part of your body can never repair itself? A. Teeth. B. Skin. C. Bones. D. Muscles. Your 10 seconds start now. It's your teeth. Once the enamel is gone, your body simply cannot grow it back. Question 10. Which planet rains diamonds? A. Mars, B. Neptune, C. Venus, D. Mercury. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Neptune. The extreme pressure deep inside is thought to turn carbon into showers of diamonds. Question 11. What makes bananas slightly radioactive? A. Potassium, B. Iron, C. Sodium, D. Calcium. Your 10 seconds start now. It's potassium. Bananas are rich in potassium, which makes them ever so slightly radioactive, but completely safe. Question 12. Which animal can survive in outer space? A. Ant, B. Tardigrade, C. Cockroach, D. Spider. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the tardigrade. This tiny creature can survive the freezing vacuum of outer space. Question 13. Which planet spins on its side? A. Saturn, B. Uranus, C. Neptune, D. Mars. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Uranus. It's tipped over so far that it basically rolls around the sun on its side. Question 14. Which animal has blue blood? A. Horseshoe crab, B. Shark, C. Eel, D. Whale. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the horseshoe crab. Its blood is bright blue because it's based on copper instead of iron. Question 15. Which animal has the largest eyes on Earth? A. Blue whale, B. Giant squid, C. Elephant, D. Owl. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the giant squid. Its eyes can be as big as a dinner plate, the largest in the animal kingdom. Question 16. Which everyday object carries more germs than a toilet seat? A. Your phone, B. Your shoe, C. Your keys, D. Your wallet. Your 10 seconds start now. It's your phone. The average phone carries many times more germs than a toilet seat. Question 17. Which is the only mammal that can't jump? A. Elephant, B. Rhino, C. Hippo, D. Giraffe. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the elephant. It's the only mammal that can never get all 4 feet off the ground at once. Question 18. Which is the only sea with no coastline? A. The Sargasso Sea, B. The Red Sea, C. The Black Sea, D. The Dead Sea. Your 10 seconds start now. It's the Sargasso Sea. It's bordered by ocean currents instead of land, so it has no coastline at all. Question 19. Which country has no capital city? A. Nauru, B. Monaco, C. Malta, D. Fiji. Your 10 seconds start now. It's Nauru. This tiny island nation is the only country in the world with no official capital. Question 20. What is the most stolen food in the world? A. Bread, B. Cheese, C. Chocolate, D. Rice. Your 10 seconds start now. It's cheese. Believe it or not, cheese is the most shoplifted food on the entire planet. That's all 20. How many did you get right this time? If you enjoyed it, hit subscribe for a brand new BrainRush quiz every single week. See you next time.